Nowadays, smartphone cameras are getting better, much better than before. So in the latest smartphones, we are having the dual camera setup, which gives us portrait shots, full manual controls, and various other features on the video modes. So guys, in this video, we're gonna talk about 5 awesome Android applications which can replace your DSLR camera. Yes, it's not actually possible to replace a DSLR camera with a smartphone, but by using those 5 applications, you can almost replace a DSLR camera as because of the features of those applications. So with that being said, let's check out the 5 awesome and cool DSLR Android applications.
Before starting this video, make sure to hit the red subscribe button on our channel and also press the bell icon beside it as to get quick notifications of our new uploads.
Starting with Camera MX. We had selected each app for some particular feature which is the best for that app. Camera MX supports all resolution and ratios which your camera hardware supports. It has even got a high dynamic mode which gives you a live HDR look while shooting videos or clicking a photo. It has got an enhanced live photo feature which we had seen on iPhones, which makes our photos come alive when touched. Select the live photos feature from here and click a photo. Now on the photo gallery, tap and hold to view the live photo. The best feature of this app is the huge collection of effects and filters. It has got a hand-picked collection of beautiful camera filters like kaleidoscope, mirror cam, pencil and sketch drawing effects, Lomo filter, little planet effect which morphs the scene into a tiny planet, and even color splash effect that highlights a single custom color. So guys, that was Camera MX, a great app for taking cool photos. Highly recommend you guys to check it out. Now if you love black and white photography, the next app is just for you. HyperCam is the ultimate app for black and white photography, which gives you total control over the contrast and exposure while taking beautiful black and white photographs. With this app, you can also edit various photos, making it black and white, and take full control over the manual options while giving a rich look on your black and white shots. Halfway down the line comes LumioCam. It's a full-featured camera app which combines the look and functions of a professional DSLR. It has got a real camera interface with a perfect-looking live view with this retro leather and brushed metal look. It supports full manual controls like white balance and focus mode, but we had selected this app because of a specific feature which we get in our DSLR cameras. So getting into the menu, then in the video options we get video recording supporting up to 4K, but it also depends upon your phone whether your phone supports 4K or not. Now we can select the frame rate as well as the bitrate up to 200 Mbps. Coming down is the best feature of this app is the profile. It lets you capture videos on flat profile. Now shooting in flat profile enables you with full color grading in post-processing. On the photos options, we can take raw photos as well as face priority focus mode from the app. So definitely a must-have alternative and a great camera app. Do give it a try. Next comes Open Camera. It's a full-featured manual camera app which supports focus modes, color effects, and also manual controls like ability to change the white balance, ISO, exposure compensation, face detection, and more. It even supports a nifty feature which lets you take photo remotely by making noise like whistle or any voice command. Now the best feature of this app is that it supports Camera 2 API, which lets you adjust the manual focal distance, manual exposure time, manual white balance, and even takes photos in raw .dng files. I'm surprised to see the HDR capability of this app. While taking any HDR photos, it shoots 3 photographs, one underexposed, one properly exposed, and the other overexposed. Then it merges the 3 photos, making it a great looking HDR photograph. So these are some of my HDR shots taken with this app. So guys, those were some great looking HDR shots, right? Check out this cool camera app, Open Camera, for making great HDR photography. Last but not the least, we have here ProShot. This is by far the best camera app, having total manual controls just like any DSLR camera. Starting from the aspect ratio, you can manually enter aspect ratio of your choice. The colors up here changes the camera theme color, and from here you can shoot raw photographs and also toggle this option to shoot the same photo both in JPEG and RAW. It also supports high quality noise reduction and JPEG versions. Down here on the auto option, we can toggle between various modes like automatic, program mode, manual mode where we can control the shutter speed, ISO and white balance of the shot. We also get custom modes which we find in high-end DSLRs. On the left, we have some great features like burst mode, light painting mode with infinite shutter and live preview, which lets you click this kind of cool photos. Apart from this, we get time-lapse mode with interval and duration options. It can shoot videos up to 4K with adjustable resolution, frame rate and bitrate. It supports zooming as well as changing any camera parameter even while recording a video. Having live histogram, zero lag bracket exposure and full featured camera roll viewfinder, it's the best manual camera app you can get on the Google Play Store.
Guys, those were the 5 awesome DSLR Android applications, and with the use of these applications you'll get the full manual controls and all other features which we get in a DSLR camera. As always, make sure to check out the description of this video in order to get the direct links of those Android applications. And guys, today we are announcing the name of the giveaway winner of our last giveaway, which is for the Aputure Amaran 672 LED lights, and the winner is The name of the winner is Jitendra Chaudhary. Congratulations to Jitendra for winning the Aputure Amaran 672 LED lights. And if you're watching this video, then make sure to check out your email, as because we had already sent an email to you and we had sent the tracking details as we had already shipped the product. So make sure to check out your email. And guys, from the next giveaway, make sure to use your actual social ID links like Facebook, Twitter, or your Gmail ID, as because if you are the winner, then we can easily contact you via your social link or your Gmail which you had used while logging into the giveaway page. So make sure to use that, and more giveaways coming soon in this channel, so stay tuned for that. And that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to hit the like button down below and also do subscribe to our channel. Until next time, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.